Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. Right here, the album you're looking at is one of the most spectacular books I have ever seen, and I cannot wait to go into it with you. This one came all the way from Texas and was actually created by my student and my incredible friend, Laura. Laura, thank you again so much for allowing me to share this with everyone today. I'm just so overjoyed. Massive inspiration lies beyond these doors, and we're just gonna have so much fun looking through it together. She used actually Carta Roll With It paper line, so she got it off echoparkpaper.com. So I just love this. Look at this beautiful pattern here that she put on the spine and on the sides and even on the back. So the two spines here, and this is so beautiful on this. I love how you chose the flower paper for this, Laura, right on the front. And you got this beautiful lace trim, just a beautiful touch. I'm almost don't even have words. Look at her cute little wooden spoon that she put on the front. I would have never thought to do something like that. And I love how you angled your two little cutouts right here. Beautiful little centerpiece and a cute little pull tab right there just for some added interest. Is just gorgeous. The floral page just has my heart. Oh my gosh, are you ready to go into this one? Oh my goodness. Laura, you're incredible. This is beautiful. And it even looks like she decked out the back of her little interactive card right here. It even moves just a bit. So this is where she put her magnet. Genius. Life is what you bake of it. That is so cute. I am in love with this paper. Some more of that lace trim. If you want to know the design for this, I'll leave the details of this particular Gatefolio recipe album down in the description. Just look how fantastic. She ended up adding some acetate in the spots where I put vellum, but look how customizable this is. And I want to start over here actually on the left side of the door. Look how fun. She's got some lace kind of little pull tab here, and this opens up. She's got some fun bits inside of here. I mean, we need a close-up. Look how fun. Look at all the layers. Laura, I'm totally in love with your little mini stapler right there and that little tiny paper clip. I couldn't believe this when I saw it. I cannot believe I'm touching this right now. You're an absolute artist. Look how adorable, fantastic, and fun. Attaching that right there just adds so much character. You can add some pictures on the back of there. I'm in love. And she inked all the edges as well, as you saw there. And you got another little picture spot right there. I love how you put this little tab right here so we can pull this unit out. Look at all the space right here. Oh my gosh. Cute little camera stamp. I've never seen one like that before. I even like how you rounded your little corners here. That way this little unit can actually slip back inside a lot easier. Genius idea. I'll have to include that on my next one. This is super duper fun. Oh my gosh. Love your cut apart right there. This is a cute little booklet that we make in class, and she ended up topping hers with some gorgeous little lace trim right there. And then you open it up. Oh my gosh, you added graph paper. Cute little element in the corner. Add a little bit more character. Some textured matching teal paper here for a nice retro feel. Gorgeous. Just phenomenal. And that fits beautifully right back inside there. And this all magnetizes, closed, and opens again. How fun is this? A nice little area. Love that corner piece and how you just popped up a nice piece inside here. Cute little cut apart right there. And then, oh my gosh, the lace just ties everything together. I love how you added it here and here on your pull tabs. Beautiful little spot for journaling or more pictures. Handmade with love. Look how she popped this up. Laura, you're a genius. I would have never thought to pop up a unit right on there. And this just slips right back in beautifully. Everything closes up. Is that beautiful or what? I want to move us onto the center right here. Absolutely beautiful acetate windows. Cute little flap right here. I love that bread paper and that mixing paper. Look at all the space for the recipes you can put in here. I love how you added a completely different texture in here. It's like kind of like a glossy, thick cardstock, and you customized it. And here's another one down here. Love that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful mat around the frame. I like how you actually matted more for the style of the pocket of the design paper talking here. Totally love that switch up. These open up again, and I love how you just left this blank spot and you stuck them straight away right on there. Even more photo space. Right inside here. So cute. And these just tuck right back in. Just a fabulous job. Just an absolutely fabulous rendition of this design. I'm just in love with it. And these open up again. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, there's so much good stuff in here. Love your vellum pocket there. Look how sweet. Just a simple pop-up homemade little decal right there. And then you even popped that one up as well. So much fun. I love how you even threw some solids colors in here, but they're texture, so it adds some more interest throughout the album. They match perfectly with those cute little mittens and the other. Did you stamp on here? I'm just curious because these stamps are adorable. If you did, I love it. Cute little vellum pocket right there. She was able to fit a couple more of those. Really heavy duty cardstock too. Okay, yellow and white gingham. I'm about to have a heart attack. This is too cute. Love this sideways little, I mean, look at the, oh, look how cute. Cute little character in the corner. It's just so beautiful. I am just blown away by this. And another little recipe card, place photo here on the back, another beautiful little sentiment little guy there. This closes back up, and just like the other one, this opens again for more photo or recipe space, which again, you did that solid color, and then you just stamped directly on top. Look how fun that is. This gives it like more of a traditional scrapbooking little style. She stamped directly on top of the design paper itself. Just absolutely brilliant. And then we've got some more tags right here with more fun stuff in there. Love your color composition here. Just a beautiful balance of stripes and gingham and solid pages. You just knocked this out of the park, Laura. Absolutely knocked it out of the park. And did you use liquid glue? Because everything's very super sturdy. These open up again. And then we've got these cute little characters. Look how fun, a little popped up element right there on that solid page for you to do whatever you'd like to it. And a beautiful little belly band action with the vellum pocket and a couple more of these recipe cards. Retro but vibrant. Such a great paper pack, and you just used it beautifully. I am completely in love with the way that you did your pocket. You just went straight away with that design paper. Is that fabulous or what? She's got a beautiful little heart cut out right there, just like we did in class. And you punched it, which is fabulous. And then you even did the same thing here, and you added a cute little tag with little vellum in here so you can stick something in there, maybe a little picture. How adorable. I love that little window. See how we could just peer right through? Laura, you're an absolute genius. Beautiful little closure. You decided to add a pocket on the front. Love your envelope little punch board notch right there. Life is what you bake it. Cute cut apart right there as a decal. You stuffed even more in here. Look how much this album can hold. I did not stuff mine like this. Love that. This is where you put your magnet. Fabulous little booklet in here. You got some more of that graph paper for extra notes. Beautiful way to use your scraps. Just such a fun, look at this. Decorating straight away onto the graph paper. Would have never thought to do that. This whole book is so much fun, and I think you put the negative over here. Genius idea again. Just look at all the fun colors. Everything came together beautiful. And then these close up, and we still have another little door over here. Look how many recipes and pictures you can hold in here. Beautiful picture space. Laura, I love the addition of this lace pull tab right here. It just adds so much texture throughout the book. Also love that little bit of metal. Everything you did is perfect. This opens up. Let's get a little close up on this. Again, beautiful acetate edition right there. Access to grab it. Oh my gosh, how much love went into this. How cute. The lace, the string, all the texture, everything has come together just phenomenally. And your addition of this gorgeous textured paper is completely mind-blowing. I'm obsessed with this tiny little flower paper. This is so cute. I might need to pick up this collection for myself. I am in love with it. This slips right inside, closes up, and then again it opens up and reveals this beautiful little spot right here. Oh my gosh, I love the simplicity. Those lines have my heart. I love rainbows. You guys know me. Another popped up element. I love that. I'm going to call that the Laura technique. Just popping up an image right there. Laura, you are an absolutely incredible artist. I'm completely blown away. Wow. I got no words left. Is this phenomenal or what? This is the cutest, most beautiful recipe folio I've ever seen in my whole life. Laura, I'm giving you one big hug right now. Thank you again so much for allowing me the opportunity to connect with you through your artwork. It's been an absolute blast just exploring your album, and you really have an artist's eye. Thank you everyone so much for hanging out and enjoying Laura's book with me. Laura, you rock. I'll see you all again soon.